In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your n8n password. If you want to keep your account secure, it's a good idea to update your password from time to time, especially if you think your current one may be too weak or too old. The process in n8n is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you can do it quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your n8n workspace. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the lower left side of the interface. There, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings area. Go ahead and click that icon to open your account and workspace options. After the settings menu opens, look for the section labeled Personal. This is where n8n stores your personal account preferences and profile-related settings. Click on Personal to continue. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the right place, just remember that password changes are usually found under Personal account settings rather than Workflow or Project settings. Inside the Personal section, you should see an option called Change Password. Click on that to open the password update screen. This is the area where you'll be able to enter your current password and create a new one. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. n8n will guide you through the required fields, and you'll typically need to enter your existing password first, then type your new password and confirm it by entering it again. As you create your new password, try to choose one that is strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using anything too obvious or easy to guess. Before submitting the change, take a moment to double check that everything is typed correctly. Password fields are sensitive to small mistakes, and even one incorrect character can prevent the update from going through. If your browser or password manager offers to save the new password, that can be helpful, as long as you're using a secure device. Once you complete the prompts and submit the change, your new password should take effect right away. After that, be sure to use the updated password the next time you sign in. And that's it. That's how to change your n8n password.